I love super easy dessert recipes, especially the ones that look like I spent way more time and effort than I actually did. For today's vlog, I will be making a no-bake blueberry cheesecake for my sister's birthday. Let's start with the crust. Add 250 grams of crushed grahams into the bowl, then pour 170 grams of melted unsalted butter. Mix until incorporated with the crushed grahams. Then add another 250 grams of grahams and 170 grams of melted butter and repeat the process. Transfer the graham mixture into the mold and press the mixture into the bottom using the spatula and the bottom of the glass, making sure it's firmly packed. Refrigerate the crust while preparing the rest of the cheesecake. In a small saucepan, add 2 cups of water and 1 cup of sugar and sprinkle 2 envelopes of gelatin over cold water. Heat it up over low heat, stirring until gelatin and sugar are completely dissolved. Set aside and let it cool. Place 450 grams of cream cheese in a bowl. Gradually beat the cream cheese until smooth. And then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and then 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice. Beat the mixture until the desired consistency is achieved. In another bowl, we have 1 cup of whipped cream. Beat the whipped cream until completely creamy. Transfer the whipped cream mixture into the cream cheese. And then gradually beat in gelatin mixture. Add another 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Transfer the filling to the prepared crust and spread evenly, but carefully without deflating the filling. Add a little bit of blueberry on top and release your creativity. Refrigerate the cake for 2 hours before adding the remaining blueberry toppings. Add the remaining blueberry toppings and chill in the fridge overnight. Take the cheesecake out of the fridge, trace around the inside of the spring-form pan with a thin, sharp knife, then unclamp the pan. This no-bake blueberry cheesecake is extra creamy with a crunchy crust and juicy blueberry toppings. Because it's no-bake, it's way easier to make than traditional cheesecake and perfect for warmer weather. And here's the cake that I made for my sister's birthday. It's time to try it! This is so yummy.
Very happy.
Happy birthday!